Hello there, folks, and welcome back. My name's Steven, and today we're reviewing this amazing scope that came out from Vortex, I believe, last year. That's the Vortex Strike Eagle 5 to 25 by 56 rifle scope. Now, this scope features the EBR-7C reticle. That is a Christmas tree style reticle, purpose-driven for those PRS shooters or long-range rifle shooters. The scope itself features a single piece aluminum, aircraft aluminum grade 6061 T6 aluminum body with a hard anodized finish that is scratch and corrosion resistant. It features these huge, gigantic tactical turrets that are locking, which is absolutely amazing. You pull up on it to lock it, or unlock it, excuse me, push down on it to lock it. That allows you to not accidentally bump these when it's being packed or carried around and have it come off zero by accident. It features, of course, a illuminated reticle with a dial on the side built off of the adjustable side parallax dial. Your magnification ring is at the rear, and like I said, it goes from 5 power all the way to 25 power with a 56mm objective for a great sight picture. The scope itself has a 3.7 inch eye relief, which is sufficient. I like to see an eye relief that's over 3.5 inches, especially if you're going to be using it on a heavy recoiling rifle, so that you don't accidentally scope yourself and so that you can quickly position your head in the appropriate spot comfortably. The field of view is 24 feet at 100 yards on the lowest magnification setting and 5.2 feet on the highest magnification setting. It has locking turrets, like mentioned, and a hard settable zero stop. So you can set the zero stop on this very easily by removing this turret right here and resetting the zero stop using a collar. It adjusts 1/4 MOA per click in the MOA version, but in the mil version, it's 1/10 mil per click. It has 25 minutes of elevation per rotation, which is absolutely astounding and great for those people looking to use this as a entry-level PRS scope. And it has a maximum elevation adjustment of 110 MOA. 110 MOA. So you can use this for extreme long-range shooting out to a mile or even beyond, given with the appropriate base. So you can get a ton of elevation adjustment out of this scope. It has 78 minutes of adjustment in the windage turret, and the side parallax adjusts from 15 yards all the way up to, I believe, 500 and then infinity. The scope is 14.6 inches long and weighs 30.4 ounces. So it is a pretty sizable, relatively heavy scope, but definitely not on the extremely heavy end of its competitors. The scope features a 34mm main tube, so that 34mm main tube allows you to get that 110 minutes of accurate adjustment in the elevation. With a 30mm main tube, or 1 inch, you cannot get that many minutes of elevation. It gives basically size for the space for the erector set inside. Here on the scope body, it has an indication of your up with an arrow so that you know which way to turn your dial. It also has markings to signify when you're zeroed or when you're on the correct parallax setting on the scope body. Let's go ahead and see how these turrets sound and feel. They're all aluminum and they have very nice heavy knurling on them, so they're easy to grip. They have markings every 1/4 MOA, or if you have the mil version, every 1/10. They also have a secondary top numeric indicator, so that if you go over 1 full revolution, you can still easily look up and see how many MOA you've gone, which is very good for competition shooting or extreme long range shooting. Hopefully you can hear that. The clicks are extremely precise feeling. There's no slop or wiggle in them, and they sound kind of like a high-end watch. They feel very good to the touch, very tactile, stiff, and precise. Actually much better than a lot of high-end scopes I've tested. Also, the 0 lines up pretty well with the hash mark on the scope body, which is something you don't always see on a budget-friendly scope. One thing to note, though, is that there is no indicator lines for each revolution on the scope body itself. So you would have to use the numeric values, and once you got past those, you would probably have to just count them. And of course, you can go back down to your hard 0 stop, which is good. On the windage turret, you have numeric markings indicating right or left. It is also locking, which is nice. And the quality of turret is the same. Very good, extremely tactile, extremely tight tolerance feeling, great sound to it, just excellent, high-end quality. On this side, with the parallax knob, it's all aluminum, has good knurling on it, extremely smooth, easy to use, not too stiff, not overly stiff, just the right amount of stiffness, just perfect, very smooth. And when I took this outside and tested it, it was appropriate. So 100 yards was in focus, and the parallax was correct all the way up to 500. It takes a battery here in the side, and it has a knurled knob here. It has illumination settings all the way from 0, of course, off, up to 11. So it has 11 brightness settings for the illumination, and that is a very nice feeling knob as well. The only thing I'll say there is every setting, after every setting, it doesn't have an off. So if on really expensive scopes, you'll go on, off through each setting, and that allows you to quickly just keep it on the setting you like instead of having to run through like 5 settings to get to the one you want. It has a fast focus eyepiece, very smooth. It is not locking though, however, but extremely smooth and works well. Has your plus and minus sign signifiers on top. The magnification ring on this, there's no grit or grime. It's very smooth and easy to operate, and of course it has numeric values, 25 all the way down to 5. So the takeaway from this scope is that this is a very amazing budget-friendly option for those looking to get into extreme long-range shooting or ELR competition or PRS competition, or just want to go to the range and push their limits. This is a absolutely great option. It comes with a lot of great features. It comes with a sunshade, a bikini cover, a lens wipe. So it's everything you need to make those extreme long range shots or also compete. The glass in it is great. It's not high-end Japanese glass great. It's not German glass great. But it's great at the price point it comes in at. It's definitely where it should be, and not something that's not as good as other optics in its price class. It's definitely as good or slightly better glass quality wise than its other competitors. So an absolutely amazing scope for its price point. It is made in China. This scope is made in China. So full disclosure there. Of course, you get the amazing Vortex VIP warranty, lifetime warranty on this product, which is always a great thing as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and check out more.